Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can actually change your access titles on your Microsoft PowerPoint charts. So in the previous video I showed you how you can actually edit your chart title, but you can see right now we also have these access titles, but yours may not be there, so I'll show you how you can go ahead and enable them, then how you can go ahead and edit them as well. So let's go ahead and click into our chart here. Once we do that, we're actually going to have these three options appear. So we have this plus, the little paintbrush, and then this chart filter option as well. So let's go ahead and select the chart elements. And if you want to add in these access titles, you need to make sure that this is selected. So if I remove it, you see obviously it's gone. And now that I add it back, I'm actually going to have to go ahead and edit the, change the title names again for these access titles. So let's go ahead and click into them. So now that they're here, we need to go ahead and specify what is happening here on the bottom. So you see on the bottom right now, it's tracking months. So I'll just go ahead and put months here. So it's clear when you're looking at the bottom, these are the months. And then off to the left here, this is actually tracking the expenses. So the expenses for each of the categories. So let's go ahead and place in expenses. Oops. Expenses. Okay. So now that we have those in place, if we would like to, we could click into these again and we could also change the size. Maybe you want them to be 18. And then maybe you also want the color to match the chart title as well. So let's go ahead and bring these up to 18. And then we'll change that one to blue. Okay, so that is how you're actually able to add in access titles if you don't already have them, and how you're able to go ahead and change the text on them, and how you're able to format them as well.